Welcome to the exercise classroom, anatomical, biomechanical and practical exercise education. Today's lesson, Abdominal Machine Crunch. Introduction. The Abdominal Machine Crunch is an isolation exercise that targets the rectus abdominis using a fixed path resistance machine. It is a controlled movement ideal for beginners and seasoned lifters seeking abdominal development without requiring balance or stabilization. Also referred to as the abdominal crunch machine or seated crunch machine. Body contour benefits. This exercise emphasizes the rectus abdominis, helping develop visible, six-pack, definition and midsection firmness. Strengthening these muscles improves abdominal tone and can contribute to better posture by enhancing anterior core stability. The movement. The primary joint action is spinal flexion, occurring as the ribcage moves toward the pelvis through contraction of the abdominal muscles. Spinal flexion under resistance enhances trunk flexion strength, supporting daily movements like bending forward, lifting, and maintaining core control in dynamic sports or functional tasks. Exercise execution. Sit securely in the machine with the back firmly against the pad and feet flat. Adjust the seat height so the pads rest comfortably against the chest and the shoulders are in alignment with the pivot point. Grip the handles if provided. Exhale and contract your abdominals to curl the upper body forward in a controlled motion, bringing the chest pad downward toward the thighs. Focus on initiating the movement from the core, not the hips. Pause briefly at full contraction, then inhale and slowly return to the starting position, keeping tension on the abdominals and avoiding hyperextension of the spine. Proper technique. Maintain a neutral head and neck position throughout the motion to prevent strain. Use a controlled, moderate range of motion, just enough to achieve full abdominal contraction without leaning excessively forward or rocking the torso. The most common mistake is using the hip flexors or momentum to swing the torso, reducing abdominal engagement and increasing the risk of lower back strain. Muscle mechanics. During the movement, the abdominals perform concentric contraction as the spine flexes forward and eccentric contraction as you return to the starting position. The rectus abdominis is the primary mover throughout both phases, with supporting tension from obliques and transverse abdominis. Primary movers. The rectus abdominis is the primary muscle activated during the abdominal machine crunch, performing the spinal flexion movement that brings the ribcage toward the pelvis. Other muscle roles. The Erector Spinae acts as the antagonist, resisting excessive spinal flexion. The internal and external obliques serve as synergists, assisting in spinal flexion and providing rotational control. The transverse abdominis and pelvic floor muscles function as stabilizers to maintain core integrity and intra-abdominal pressure. Biomechanical considerations. Pad position. Proper adjustment of the chest pad ensures that the pivot point aligns with the natural axis of spinal flexion, enhancing motion efficiency and reducing joint stress. Seat height. Seat height must allow a comfortable range of motion while maintaining spinal alignment and abdominal focus. Controlled movement. Avoid rapid or jerky motions that bypass abdominal engagement in favor of momentum or other muscle groups. Machine fit. Each machine may vary, so adjusting the machine to fit your body type is critical to ensure correct muscle recruitment and avoid injury. Training effectiveness and optimization. Targeted tension. Maintain constant abdominal tension throughout the movement to maximize muscle fiber recruitment. Tempo control. Use a slow descent and forceful contraction on the upward phase to enhance hypertrophy and core control. Breathing technique. Inhale on the return phase and exhale during the crunch to improve intra-abdominal pressure and contraction strength. Progressive overload. Gradually increase resistance as strength improves while maintaining form to stimulate continued abdominal development. Safety and injury prevention. Spinal positioning. Keep the spine in neutral alignment to prevent lumbar stress or rounding. Avoid hip flexion. Do not drive the movement with the hips. Doing so decreases abdominal activation and strains the lower back. Weight selection. Use appropriate resistance that allows controlled movement. Overly heavy loads can compromise technique. Full control. Avoid using momentum or allowing the machine to pull you back too quickly, which can cause hyperextension or muscle strain. Variations and alternatives. Decline bench sit-up offers full-body abdominal engagement with a greater range of motion and increased hip flexor involvement. Crunch with medicine ball adds resistance while maintaining floor-based spinal flexion, ideal for transitional training from machine to free form. Floor crunch, basic bodyweight crunch focusing on the rectus abdominis without equipment, great for beginners or high representative sets. Resistance band lying bent knee raise, targets lower abdominal fibers through hip flexion and core bracing while lying flat, using resistance bands for tension. The Abdominal Machine Crunch provides a safe and effective way to isolate and strengthen the rectus abdominis. By mastering this movement, you can build foundational core strength, improve posture, and enhance muscular definition in the abdominal region.